What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and today we'll be replacing a rear diff on a Lexus RX330. Enjoy. Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the wheel off. After that, you're gonna take your caliper off. Right here, 217s in the back. Take the rotor off. After that, you take off these two bolts out of the strut that hold to the knuckle. There's another bolt down here for that arm. It's another arm right here. All this I'm doing because I don't have the socket. Whatever 12-point socket in there, 30 millimeters or something inside. So after you take these off, you can just pull it up, pry it with a screwdriver, and it'll pop out. I got it popped out on both sides. I installed new seals on this used rear diff that my customer got me from, don't know which spot, but I mean, already done. Now we're gonna attempt to remove these three bolts that are holding the diff in the back. Now we're removing these four bolts from the shaft. They are 14s. They're so tight. Now we're gonna attempt to remove these two 17s right here. Woohoo! Sorry I couldn't film it. I had to hold it, but here it is. Here's the old one. You just get this one out. 17, and then you just pull it down since you got the tank on that side, and you know there's no point. So here we have the bolt and the nut that goes on top of the diff. Now we have the other three that go in the back. Now we put everything back together. Just tighten everything. The 317s here, 217s here. There's one other 17 right here that I have to get tight. Here's the nut. Oops. Yeah, we'll get the axle in place. Try and get these first. I'm just gonna try and line up this. It's a bushing right here. being a bitch. But he doesn't want to go up. Let us see. Come on. Come on. I just don't know why. I just don't know why. Don't know why. Jeez. Alright, so let's go down to the next one. This is just stupid. Yeah, here you go. Got your knee over here. Put it down like this. Okay, move it. There you go. That's one. So now that they're both in, this one and this one, we can continue. Alright, so we just gotta make sure that these axles are where they're supposed to go. Right here. There you go. That's it. She's in. Oh, it's raining.